Today, I am reviewing the EMEET C960 webcam with microphone. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you rely on virtual meetings to connect with colleagues, clients, or students, relying on the blurry, low-resolution camera built into your laptop can make you look highly unprofessional. I recently upgraded my desktop and laptop setup with the EMEET C960 Full HD 180p webcam, and after putting it through continuous daily use for video conferencing and online calling, I want to share a thorough, real-world review of how it actually performs. If you are looking for a reliable, plug-and-play visual upgrade that does not break the bank, this detailed experience will help you understand exactly what to expect. Right out of the box, the first thing that stands out is how effortless it is to get this camera up and running. True plug-and-play functionality is often promised, but rarely delivered this flawlessly. You literally just unravel the generous USB cord, plug it into an available port on your desktop or laptop, and within seconds, your operating system recognizes it. There are absolutely no tedious drivers to download or buggy software packages to install. It immediately integrates with major video platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Skype, and FaceTime. For anyone who is not tech-savvy or simply wants a device that works instantly without troubleshooting, this zero-friction setup is an absolute lifesaver. Once the camera is active, the jump in video quality over a standard integrated laptop webcam is night and day. The native 1920 by 1080 resolution provides a highly crisp, realistic image. The optics feature a 5-layer anti-glare glass lens that keeps the video feed looking smooth and professional. Instead of an autofocus system that constantly hunts and blurs your image every time you move your hands, EMEET opted for a fixed focal length design. This choice means everything within a massive range of roughly 1 foot to 10 feet stays perfectly sharp and in clear focus. It locks onto you as the subject, keeping your presentation steady and sharp throughout the entire duration of your video call. Another standout physical design choice is the integration of a physical privacy cover. In this digital age, having a physical barrier over your lens when the camera is not in use provides invaluable peace of mind. The cover on the C960 is robust and easy to deploy, ensuring your home office or bedroom remains completely private without having to resort to ugly, sticky pieces of tape over your lens. Where this webcam truly handles real-world challenges elegantly is its low-light performance. Most of us do not work in perfectly lit broadcast studios. We work in rooms with uneven overhead lights, dim lamps, or harsh sunlight streaming through a window right behind us. The automatic low-light correction technology, combined with built-in color boost and exposure adjustment, works exceptionally well. If a sudden call comes in while you are sitting in front of a bright window, you do not have to scramble to close the curtains. The camera automatically balances the harsh background glare, adjusting the exposure so your face remains clearly visible and properly exposed rather than turning into a dark silhouette. Even in a dimly lit evening environment, the low-light boost ensures you look sharp and professional without introducing a mountain of digital grain and noise into the video feed. Audio performance is often the Achilles heel of budget-friendly webcams, but EMEET has handled this aspect brilliantly by integrating 2 omnidirectional noise reduction microphones directly into the chassis. This dual microphone array does a fantastic job of picking up your natural speaking voice clearly while filtering out annoying background distractions like the hum of an air conditioner, the whirring of a computer fan, or minor household noises. Your voice comes through with a clean, crystal-clear radio effect that makes communication feel effortless. Just remember to select the webcam as your default microphone device in your software settings to fully enjoy this audio upgrade. The physical mounting flexibility is also worth praising. It features a tripod-ready universal clip that folds smoothly, allowing it to sit securely on top of thick external monitors, ultra-thin laptop lids, or even stand independently on a flat desk surface. Furthermore, the wide 90-degree field of view is a massive benefit if you need to present physical items on your desk, share a whiteboard, or accommodate multiple participants sitting side by side in a small conference room. You'll never have to constantly physically adjust or tilt the camera to keep everyone in the frame. To be fully balanced in this review, it is important to note that this webcam is not compatible with Windows Hello facial recognition login functions, so you will still need to type in your password or PIN. However, given its primary purpose as a high-performance communication tool, this omission is incredibly minor. Ultimately, the EMEET C960 webcam is a phenomenal, cost-effective workhorse for remote workers, online educators, and students alike. It perfectly balances pristine 1080p video clarity, exceptional low-light exposure management, robust dual microphone noise filtering, and essential privacy protection into a single, highly durable package. If you want to instantly elevate your virtual presence and ensure you are always seen and heard with professional clarity, this plug-and-play webcam is an exceptional investment for any modern workspace.